Welcome to Look Ahead with Anna. This week, a report has got me buzzing with ideas and opportunities for DMOs. It was all about the explosion of urban shared mobility. So that's the e-bikes, it's the e-scooters, it's the way that we're finding delegates and populations are getting around these busy cities. And it's going to grow because by 2050, we're going to see 6 billion people living in urban areas. And that's 70% of our entire world population. So as these cities get more congested, it's really hard for the new infrastructure to come in. New roads, new rail networks are unlikely. So now we're starting to see governments are looking at these shared mobility options. And it got me thinking, what are the opportunities here for DMOs and what can you do with this information? So here are your actionable items this week. First of all, start looking at where your e-sharing options are in the city. Make sure you know how to tell your delegates this. Do you need to map it out? Do you need to show your delegates how easy it is to go from a downtown core area, maybe where they're meeting or having a congress, and getting out to different parts of your neighborhoods? Show them how they can do that. Here in Edmonton, I know you could take an e-scooter, you could go over the North Saskatchewan River on one of our new beautiful bridges and take ourselves into White Ave, which is a completely different area, but very easily done in 15 minutes. Start to think about those kind of agenda items for your delegates. And then when you've got your site tours coming in and you have those organizations making the choices where to host, start to take them around on an e-scooter. Start to really show them on the site tour how easy it is and demonstrate that. And also then put it in your bid book. Reflect this new option, these new opportunities. They're economical, they're sustainable, and it's going to bring down the carbon footprint of your delegates when they come into destination. So as always, if you're liking these actionable items and tips, please do follow me and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.